Hey guys, I made some custom tailpipe tips for the hot rod. Come check it out. So you guys remember me telling you that I like to do a little bit to the car and stand back and look at it and let it tell me what it wants next. Well, I done them exhaust tips and stood back and looked at it, and the car said, nah, I don't like them exhaust tips. So it gave me some ideas, some new exhaust tips. So we're doing new exhaust tips. So here we go. Let me show you what I'm working on. Welcome back to the School of Rat Rodology, and a little shop where dreams come true. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff. So I'm making some new exhaust tips. I got to start. I got the outside frame. They're gonna go right here, something like that. It's gonna be new exhaust tips right there. Yeah, something like that. I got two of these. I got one for the other side. The other one, I already started building it out, and it's gonna go. There's a ball socket joint right there. So it's gonna go something like that. So I need to finish this side out. I need to close it all in. It'll look something like that. Put this flat black on the inside so it don't show up so much. See if that works. See if she likes that better. I had some pieces left over from my exhaust kit, so I'm using those bends and straights, whatever I need, to build these new exhaust tips. So I'm chopping, cutting, and rebuilding right here. Yeah, we're getting it. We just ain't got it yet. got another piece welded in. Got a long way to go though, I guess. Long way to go. And that's just one. I gotta do 2 of them. Hope I can grind that weld down. The stainless steel is hard. Be fine. Gonna be fine. All right, guys, exhaust tips done, installed. I still need to adjust them. They're not perfect, but you get an idea of what they're gonna look like right there. Yeah. They almost look like a bumper, kind of a bumper tailpipe tip combination. They wouldn't survive a second as a bumper though. You hit them, it's over with. Yeah, that'll work. A little fine tuning when I put them on permanently, and it's gonna be great. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Yeah, I know I still need to kick this tail light up a little bit on this side. Give me a minute. Well, it's gonna be a while, but I'll get it. Next time I put it back on, I had to take them off, do the body work. When I put them back on, I'll make sure I got that fixed. So there's that. It's bad. Chad would say it might be a little bit controversial. But hey, I like it better what the other one, they look better than the other ones did. To me, they do. And one thing about it, they're the only ones like it on the planet. Actually, the only ones like it in the universe. So imagine that. I got the only set right there. Yeah, there's a lot of work to build them, but I think it'd be fine. That's 3/8 round rod, that outside perimeter, and the rest of it is stainless from exhaust bins and exhaust pipe I had left over. I built all the insides, all the rest of it out of stainless. It's all stainless, so it ought to last forever. So I got a spring-loaded license plate bracket holder, so I can fold it up underneath there or fold it down. Might even put an actuator on it so I can press a button on the inside to put it up or down, who knows. But yeah, gonna do that soon, one day soon. Yeah, just keep in mind, they're gonna look a lot better when I get the back of the car painted, so yeah. All right, we're getting it. We just ain't got it yet. Appreciate you. See you next time.